Although adults have the ability of encouraging a positive environment, bullying begins with those who do the bullying. And in most cases, this would include children and teenagers. So let's look at some ways children and teens can prevent bullying. One way to keep a positive and bully-free environment is to think twice or even 3 times before doing or saying something hurtful to someone else. If you're angry about something, talk it out with that person and try coming up with a respectful solution. Another way is to be kind to others. A random act of kindness will not only make someone feel good, it might cheer you up as well. Also, try distracting yourself. If you feel like being mean to someone, talk to a friend or play a game instead. The urge might pass and no issues need to be made. Lastly, if you think you've bullied someone before in the past, it doesn't take much to apologize. It may make a significant difference in that person's life.